Don't miss this airdrop because these are pretty special. You can gain a lot of value out of it. In fact, a lot of money out of it. Hey family, welcome back to Katos Tubes. I'm your host Faris, and in today's video, I bring you another opportunity that can mint you money in the crypto market. And this is about an airdrop of a DeFi liquidity protocol on Bitcoin, which is of BRC20 token standard. And yes, you can claim it for free by just interacting with the testnet. So I will take you through all the steps one by one. So please watch the video till the end because you need to complete all the steps to claim this airdrop, and it can boom during the bull run or after the platform goes live. So let's get started. Now before I get into the details, remember everything I share here is just for knowledge purpose and nothing here is financial advice. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in any token. And since you're here, I suggest subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell icon to receive daily crypto updates like these right in your inbox. And also, if you're looking for a community that can help you grow in the crypto industry, I suggest joining our Telegram channel, the link of which is shared in the description of this video. So let's talk about Velar. So Velar, as I said before, is a DeFi liquidity protocol on Bitcoin, and according to its white paper, it is allocating a huge portion, which is almost 5% of its total supply, to the airdrop. So why not take the advantage of it? So what is Velar? Velar is a pure BRC20 token based project. What are BRC20 tokens, you may ask? So for that, please click on the link above or in the description to learn about BRC20 token standard. That's a sensation in the crypto industry. So this is the Twitter page of Velar protocol, which is a DeFi liquidity protocol on Bitcoin. You can see it has over 8,000 followers and over 10,000 followers on Discord server. The page is very active. It is posting daily updates, and already 50,000 plus unique wallets are registered on its testnet. So you can see the power of Velar network already showing. And moreover, here they mentioned that how you can claim their tokens by just interacting with the testnet. So you can see the pinned post, incentivized testnet is live. All testnet users for the next 4 weeks get Velar Airdrop at TGE. So as soon as you watch this video, please interact with this testnet to claim free Velar token. Now step number one. This is the step number one. You need to download Hero Wallet. So this is type Hero Wallet. You will get link like this. Just click on it, and once you click on this link, you will get an install extension option. So install Hero Wallet. You click on this install Hero Wallet option right over here. It will install on your browser. So I have already installed it. Let me show you right over here. So this is my wallet. You can see Hero Wallet, and this is Hero Wallet. Once I click it, it will open it up. So it will take me to the mainnet first, but to get the tokens I need to switch it to the testnet. So that is step number 2. So let's see here. Let it load first. So again, this one is on the mainnet, and to interact with the app I need to be on the testnet. So I need to click on 3 dots, and once I click on 3 dots, I need to go to this option, change network, change the network to testnet. So this is the option testnet. I click on it, and now it will change to the testnet. So that's how easy you can do that first 2 steps. Now it becomes quite complicated from here. So please stay tuned till the end. Now I am on the testnet and I have 0 stacks, 0 Bitcoin on a testnet. So first of all, I need to get some stacks token to interact with the Velar app, which is this one. So for that, number 1 step is go to this explorer, which is a testnet explorer, and connect your wallet and request stacks. Once you click on request stacks, it will credit you somewhere around 500 tokens of STX into your wallet. Now this can be a time taking process. You may need to wait for a few hours or maybe a few minutes, since it is quite busy in the testnet mode. So this is step number 1. I already applied it, but I'm still waiting to receive my testnet token here. So step number 2, if this doesn't work for you, go to this Velar option. This is the app.velar.co, and connect your wallet. So I have already connected my Hero Wallet, and go to this option, which is request STX. Click on request STX, and once you click on request STX, it will give you 101 STX for testnet wallet. So do not increase or decrease this number. This is the fixed number. Just click request faucet. And that's it. Airdropped 101 STX to your wallet to be confirmed on the blockchain. So this can be your step number 3. Now that your wallet will be credited with STX token, you can perform transaction in the testnet mode. So the next step after this is going to the swap option, which is right over here. And once you go to the swap option, you need to swap your tokens. Remember to connect your wallet and your balance will show right over here. Swap the token and convert that to Velar. So do this activity to interact with the testnet app. And once you interact with it, it will automatically consider your wallet for the airdrop. After swapping, go to the pool option, interact with the pool option here. Try depositing tokens. If you don't understand, comment below and let me know. And the third thing is stake. Interact with the staking option, enter your Velar balance that you have swapped here and again stake it. So this is your practice to interact with this platform, and once you do it, voila, you are all set to receive Velar token in your wallet. So that's how easy you can claim this token. Remember, I will share all the links in the description of the video so you don't miss out. Moreover, there is another airdrop that is coming, that is of BRC20 token standard of OXBT. So please watch that video. For that you have to do nothing, just follow 1 or 2 steps to claim the airdrop. Don't miss this airdrop because these are pretty special. You can gain a lot of value out of it, in fact a lot of money out of it. So that completes my video. Remember to follow them on Twitter, Discord and other channels to keep updated on the Velar updates, and remember to watch the videos shared on the end screen. I bring you videos like this every day, so do subscribe and do follow my Telegram community. I see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.